Alright, you guys, welcome back. Today I found the Flintmobile, guys, from the Flintstones. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, the Flintmobile. It's a re-release. They released it once, but it was the same color or not, I don't remember. Name the Flintmobile truck type: Canopysaurus, strength, Slam Ram, Bam Bam, Crash Attack, Tool-footed engine. So the back we know, I just need this one, this one, this one, and that one, and I have the whole case complete. Pretty cool. Sorry about the background noise that comes up. What's over there? Ooh, okay. This is a nice truck. Like the sand color whitish tires. This is plastic, this is metal, the seats. Pretty nice, the little scratch detail. Pretty cool. The driver's seat and then the roll cage. And it says the Flintstones in the back. The black window and the dark gray chassis, like the burgundy red roll cage. Of course, the body with the gray rims and beadlocks. Pretty cool. Top of the truck. A little ladder on the side. So that's it, guys. Like, subscribe, comment. Sure has more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.